Justice Joseph Mutava's career in the judiciary may be over following the recommendations of a 5-member tribunal gazetted in 2013 to probe his conduct.
Pursuant to that and the provisions of the Article 168, Sub-Article 7 of the Constitution, the Tribunal unanimously recommended to His Excellency the President that the Honorable Judge be removed from office.
In the first count, Justice Mutava was found guilty of colluding with others to allocate himself a file, an application made by businessman Kamlesh Pattni in 2012, stopping his prosecution over the 5.8 billion shillings Goldenberg scandal. This he did without the knowledge and consent of the duty judge and the head of the Judicial Review Division, who should have assigned a judge. Justice Mutava stayed the decision of the DPP to revive criminal charges against Pattni and all relevant criminal proceedings. He also wrongly retained the file at the Commercial Division of the High Court, where he served, instead of taking it to the Judicial Review Division. He was, however, cleared of claims that he irregularly retrieved the same file from the custody of the High Court and had it taken to him in Kericho, where he had been transferred. He was also found guilty of writing a judgment in the Pattni case at a time when the Judicial Service Commission was investigating him over his handling of this case. Justice Mutava was also found guilty of attempting to influence the ruling of retired Judge Leonard Njagi. Mutava is said to have sent text messages urging him to rule in favor of the plaintiff. He was, however, cleared of claims that he solicited a 2.5 million shillings bribe from the plaintiff and on behalf of Justice Njagi for a favorable ruling.
A total of 29 witnesses testified. The allegations that we had against the judge were 6.
This is the second tribunal to have been formed to investigate the conduct of a judge under the 2010 Constitution, and again in this case, Justice Joseph Mutava falls on the altar of integrity. According to Article 168 of the Constitution, Justice Mutava may, however, appeal to the Supreme Court 10 days from now. The President shall then act on the recommendations of the tribunal upon the expiry of the time allowed for an appeal if he doesn't appeal, or after the appeal has been dispensed with, and if the final orders are in line with the tribunal's recommendations. Sheila Sendeyo, NTV.